I've always wondered what it feels like to unleash a trapped pond. Today, I climbed into my excavator to find out. This old dam had been choking the water for years and years. The surface looked calm, but underneath was nothing but sludge and rot. I started by cutting a channel straight through the earth wall. Every bucket of dirt released a little more pressure. You could hear the water fighting to break free, almost growling. The tension built with every pass of the bucket. Once the dam was thin enough to risk it, I pulled the last chunk out. A massive rush of muddy water exploded across the bank. It felt like ripping the plug out of a giant underground drain. Seconds later, the pond started to empty itself with a roar. But the job wasn't even close to done yet. All that thick, black silt needed to be scooped out by hand and steel. I swung the bucket back and forth, lifting piles of muck and debris. The smell was unreal, like wet leaves, swamp gas, and old pond weeds. When the last scoop finally cleared, the pond looked alive again. Fresh, clean water flowing into the new channels I carved. I sat there in the cab for a moment, just watching it breathe again. It's wild how one machine and a little courage can change the land forever. If you want to see more raw transformations, hit like